Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Microsoft Store is not launching or not opening on Windows 11. So if you have this issue, the first thing that you should actually do is to just open the Start menu and then search for Microsoft Store. As you from here, you need to right click on it and click on App Settings. Now from here, you need to scroll down and press on Terminate button. Then you need to scroll down to Repair RC from here and click on it. And after it finishes, you need to click on Reset RC from here. And after it finishes, you need to click on Reset as well. Click on Reset from here, and everything about this app will actually reset. After it's done, now open the Start menu and search for WSReset. Now you should actually hit on Enter, and it should actually open the Microsoft Store. So, if this didn't actually fix your issue, next thing that you can actually do is to just open the Start menu and search for the Settings app. Open it. Now from here you need to go to Time and Language, and you need to go to Date and Time. Now you need to make sure that this is actually turned on to set time zone automatically. So why this is very important? Because some apps needs to actually know that your time is synced so that no bugs or no vulnerabilities will actually happen. Also make sure that the set time automatically is set on RC from here. Now you need to click on Windows Update on the down left corner and click on Check for Updates. Now make sure that you install all the updates that you have. So if none of these fixes actually helped you, you can try this last fix. So you can try to open the Start menu and search for PowerShell. Now click on Run as an administrator, hit on Yes. So now you need to actually copy this command from the description and try it on from here. So this will actually reset every settings and app package that Microsoft Store actually uses. So hopefully this fix will actually help you and fix your issue. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.